Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram group organized and make discussions easier to follow, the New Topics feature is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a topic in your Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC, following the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and using the latest version to access all the newest features. Next, head to the group where you're an admin. Only admins can create and manage topics, so be sure you have the right permissions. Click on the group to open the chat window. Now, look towards the top right corner of the group chat. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the options menu. In this menu, you'll find the option labeled Create Topic or New Topic, depending on your version. Click on it to start setting up your new discussion space. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the name of your topic. Think of a clear, descriptive title that tells members what this topic is about. For example, you could name it Announcements, Support, or anything relevant to your group's needs. You'll also have the option to choose an icon that represents your topic. Pick one that fits the subject and makes it easy to recognize at a glance. Once you've named your topic and selected an icon, simply click the Create button. Your new topic will appear in the group, ready for members to join the conversation. Now, everyone can post messages, share media, and stay focused on the subject at hand, all within this dedicated space. Using topics in your Telegram group is a great way to keep conversations organized, reduce clutter, and help members find what they're looking for faster. Give it a try and see how much smoother your group discussions become.